Welcome to Mama Joan house, where it's hot, and when I said hot, I mean it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, I'm gonna get myself some Halloween costume, and I'm gonna try them on and make my husband rate them, and we see how it goes. Okay, guys, now this is the first costume. This is Wonder Woman. So, what you think about Wonder Woman? How Wonder Woman look? I'm
looking on it. You don't know.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what you gonna rate Wonder Woman?
Wonder Woman look like a 10 and a half. You know, you got 10.
Wonder Woman look like a 10 and a half?
Yes,
well, would I give Wonder Woman a 9?
9?
Yeah, because she a little bit smug. So, would I give her a 9?
Well, only if you say a 9, no, I give you a 9 and a half, you know, because I like Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman look good. So.
Wonder Woman look good?
Woman.
You sure?
Wondering.
You want? You wondering?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Wonder Woman, I love Wonder Woman. So
yeah?
Wonder Woman.
Headband look good?
Everything look good. And not even it.
What you think? Because I go fight some crime fighter? Could I go fight with Batman?
No, he's a lover. He's a tough
fighter.
But then I don't worry.
Don't worry.
No.
Okay,
just
so.
Pure love.
Okay.
Alright.
So what about Superman? Could I join up with Superman though? As Wonder Woman, could I join up with Superman though? What do you think?
Yeah, then Superman and Wonder Woman, they will now make Superboy.
Okay.
So that is pure love again.
Okay. So this alright?
Yeah, man. This is a 9
and a half. So you give it a 9 and a half. So me give it a 9, you give it a 9 and a half.
Yes, honey.
Alright then. So me I go see what this one look like. Okay.
Yes, honey, go on. Oh, yeah. Too much work for me, Anthony.
Okay, here comes number 2. Okay, now we think about this. My name is Sergeant Mama Joan. What do you think about Sergeant Joan?
Sergeant don't look sexy still, you know.
Yeah?
But, you know, what do you think?
What you think as a rude boy?
Officer!
Yes?
Why? Oh, officer, I love your looks. Officer, Lord, officer, lock me up. Lock me up from now, officer.
You lock you up?
Oh, you mean officer?
Okay, well, let me get the handcuff.
Wait there.
Stand up.
Stand
up. Turn around.
Officer, you don't need that.
Oh!
Just lock me up. Just lock me up.
You like this?
Oh, you mean?
Okay, so what is the rate? What you rate it? On a scale of 1 to 10, where did I give it?
But I give that one here a 8, you know.
You give it a 8?
Yeah,
I don't lose my hat?
Yes, well, that's where you lose 2 points, because you lose your hat.
So you give it a 8?
Yes.
Okay. Well, me give it a 10, you know.
You give this a 10?
Yeah, man, me give this a 10, man.
Oh,
I like how it look, I like how it feel,
I'm going to say it don't look good and thing, you know, but I give it a 8.
You give it a 8, but
yes,
me give this one a 10.
10.
10 for me and a 8 for you.
Yes.
But I saw it said.
It's all good.
You sure?
Good. Oh, you mean?
Oh, you mean?
It's back with that.
Good boy. You sure?
Yes.
You want to sit the $2 down?
Easy, officer. Easy, officer. You only hungry me, son.
Yes. Better change to $1.50.
All right.
All right.
Yes, officer.
Okay, honey. Get ready for costume number 3. Now, where I say?
Yes, ma'am.
But this a referee, I know. Some referee thing me a gear.
Good.
We kind of like that one, yeah.
Yes.
As a ref.
Yes.
We kind of like this, you know.
You can ref,
as a ref, yeah.
Anytime you can ref.
You sure?
Oh, you mean red, yellow, pink, or blue card? I don't care. Any card is a card. I love card.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, where you gonna give this?
Only me like the 10 pound the chest there.
You like it? Okay, so what you think about giving it a 10?
10, yes, I love the 10.
You love the 10?
The 10
me give this a 10 on it. I like this. I like
blow
this.
for the whistle. Me a blow for
What
the
if me
whistle.
have to card you?
No.
Why? Foul.
What kind of
Foul.
foul?
free kick up the field.
Oh, okay.
Free kick up the
Okay.
field.
You don't care that red card.
No, I mean, I'm getting a red card yet. You have to do
Just a
something.
foul.
That's a foul. So
Okay.
it's a free kick up the field. Yeah,
Alright,
you're going to
alright,
right now,
alright,
okay?
alright.
So I like this.
Yes, this
I
look
like
good.
this.
This look good.
And I would give this a 10. Oh my God. That just,
Honey, all of them you get 10.
this is so sweet.
Oh, this is so
feels,
this one
I
is
feel
good.
comfortable.
Yes.
So me think so this one, me gonna look on the next one, but this one, me would choose this so far. Me like this one.
Yes, I like this. I like
Yeah,
this.
I like this. See this?
This make
Yeah.
me this make me
Yeah, I like this.
Yes, I use this.
So this me could have give you all a
That one
free
I'm-
kick,
That one I'm
a free kick up the field, and a penalty too.
All penalty
And a
up the
penalty
field.
kick.
Wow.
Yeah, I love this. I really
Yes,
love this. This is nice.
This is nice.
This is really
This
good.
is
This
nice.
is
I love
nice.
that one.
I like how it feels,
True,
and I like how it's set.
Yes.
I like the Wonder Woman. She was a little bit too smug.
And
Yeah.
this black and white go good.
Good, good, nice. Eh?
Yes, black and
Yeah.
white.
I love
Good
this.
with you.
I really do love this.
True.
This is so nice.
Right, honey.
Yeah.
When God did I make you never make no mistake.
Okay, costume number 4. Here we go. This is costume number 4. So today I decided to be a cleaning lady.
Oh my God! Wow!
A housekeeper.
What? Honey, black and white look good for you every time. That one
So
here.
this look nice.
Yes, me I'll give that one here 10 only.
You give this a 10?
Yes, only.
Well, me give it a 7 really. Cause this is not my style.
No?
No, so me give it a 7. A 7 for me. Me give
see
it a
them?
7.
Them short skirt there.
Short skirt.
Short skirt, one thing for me. Only dust, you know, dust. I'm not this for me.
No,
Do no dust.
No,
No,
me
you
not.
say you come dust. When me see you know, something like this, on my mind start thinking.
Wonder?
Yes, so.
Okay, well, don't make your mind wander and run away right now. We're talking about the outfit. We're talking about you rating the outfit.
Yeah, but when you see rating the outfit is well known. But you see when you have it on, that's how my problem starts, you know, right away.
Well, we can't deal with no problem right now. We don't want a problem to
All right,
start.
honey, so-
Say just rate it a 10.
10 on
I may give it up between a 6 or a 8. But
10.
me work with that. Me give it a 6 because I really do
the
not like
costume
it.
might be a 6, but when you have it on, it's a 10 for me.
Okay. Alright then.
All right, honey.
Okay.
You're good.
So you look on it.
Yes,
You want another spin?
Oh, you mean?
Okay.
Why?
Spin run good enough for you?
Yes, honey. Yes.
This is the last and final costume. This is Miss Wilma. So, Mr. Harry Flintstone, what do you think?
Oh, yeah. Not even if we can think right now, honey.
Well,
This looks so good.
with this, I give this one a 9.5.
Gosh, honey.
My referee is my favorite, and I give the referee a 10. This one I give a 9.5. Miss Mama Joan Wilma, Mama Joan Flintstone. Yeah.
Well, honey, I love the referee, you know. But Vilma, I remind me back in the Stone Age.
Yes.
When them time the woman, them did nice. Honey, 10 and a half, no, you're not about 10 enough. I give this a 10 and a half.
Give this one a 10.5.
10 and a half for me,
Okay,
honey.
well,
Wilma, take me life.
Wilma, take your life.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Oh my God, honey, look there.
I like Wilma,
Look there.
but the ear, the orange ear, now make it for me.
Yeah.
Maybe if the ear was like a gray hair, it would have make it, but the orange ear now make it, you know. But it is nice, you know.
Honey, may I tell you the
But
truth?
I'll give
I
it
love
a,
this. I love this. I love that one.
I give it a 9.5.
That one, yeah.
This I give a 9.5.
Take me life.
So, you know, you can comment and tell me which one you like between all 5 of them, you know. But it's nice, but I rather the referee. The orange wig now make it.
Honey, you know,
The
you
orange
see the
wig
orange
now
wig
make it.
of a Wilma style. But you see the dress, me don't even see the wig.
Okay.
We just look upon the dress and the
Yeah.
face and everything just blend. The orange wig, yeah, but me never care about the wig, you know. Me, I look on this, me just hang on by your body, so oh my God, me can't get a touch.
Why you can't be so silly, you know?
Anyway, you see your man have on them something, you want a touch.
Oh my God,
my
you
God.
can be so silly sometimes.
Yes, honey.
So anyway, this is it.
True, man.
This is it. So we are gonna choose one. So which one we are gonna choose?
Well, honey,
Me choose the referee.
me choose Wilma
And you choose Wilma.
every time.
So you see due to me I gonna wear it?
True, man.
I'm gonna go with the referee.
with the referee.
Because this orange wig here, nah make it.
So, honey, come here, let me see something. Let me see something. Turn on. Let me touch you. Oh, ooh, you only your bun me a while ago.
You feel the fire?
Wow. That's the costume.
You're fool,
Fire.
You're being fool.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
that
I like it.
costume,
I
we
like
like
it.
the
But
costume. We love that one. We love
the
that
wig,
one.
you
We
know,
love
the
that
orange wig now make it.
True, man.
You
We
know.
love this. We
So,
love this.
but this is nice. This is
Remind me
nice.
of Flintstone and Wilma.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I know Wilma was a sweet, even though Flintstone didn't look
Wilma,
like me.
Wilma was beautiful.
I know.
Yeah.
And Fred was looking like me.
And Fred look like you.
So that's why I love that couple. So, that's true.
Alright, sir. Alright. So referee we're gonna go with though.
Okay, whatever
Okay.
you want to go, whatever make you happy, you know, then good to go.
Yeah, as we said, the orange here. Now make it at all. Okay? Okay. So that's what it is. And so it said. Alright, so okay. So that's it. So there you go, guys. Now I come to the end of my video. And I would like you guys to like it and
Subscribe it.
and hit that post notification bell, okay? And I would like you guys to give me 10,000 likes on this video. Not kill no, but I need me 10,000 likes. Cause Mama Joan I gonna come good and proper, okay?
She deserve the 10. Then I look so I get she deserve 20, but we work with that.
Okay, we're out, guys.